Are you looking for a simple way to assign and manage tasks related to your projects and documents in SOLIDWORKS PDM? TeamWorks Professional may be your answer. Using a familiar integration into the PDM right-click menu, TeamWorks users can easily create new tasks, or see any already related to that file. By linking tasks to Vault documents, anyone viewing the task can see the progress of not only the task itself, but also the history of the attached Vault documents. By making tasks easy to create and update, you get better overall project accountability and an improved ability to predict future project requirements. Check out our video on dashboards to see how you can get a high-level view of all these tasks. If Task Management and TeamWorks Pro looks appealing to you and your team, contact us. We're happy to show a live demonstration or set you up with an evaluation.